people who help us. Reema, open the door. Someone is ringing the bell.
Who's this?
I am a postman. I have a letter for you.
Open the letter. See who has sent it.
It is a bill from the construction company which is making our house. Who help us in repairing our home?
Mason, plumber, electrician and carpenter helps us in making and repairing our home. Mason helps us to construct our home. Plumber repairs pipes and taps. Electrician does all electrical fitting. Carpenter makes furniture, windows and doors of the home. Let us listen to this rhyme. People help us.
Nice rhyme. We have learned that who are the people who help us.